Hey, how's it going? It's Angel again from Keto Rookey, over 60. Whew. It's about 7 p.m. today, and I'm outside here. The mosquitoes are killing me. But had to run a couple of errands. And wound up getting a new phone. I was running out of space on my other phone, and every time I went to take a video, I had to delete some programs or download something, transfer something, and it kept happening every time. So I went and got a whole new phone. So I'm happy now. I got plenty of room. So I was at the mall, at the AT&T store, mortgaging my life away to get a new phone, and I was with my daughter. So we decided to have lunch at the mall, and that's a job in itself. A bunch of great places, some Thai places, some Indian, Japanese, and the regular Burger Kings and Popeyes and all those other. I got me some Indian food, a little dinner plate. I've had some chicken marsala and some chickpeas. They threw some white rice in there. I had some of that. So I wasn't exactly keto. I did go quite a bit over on carbs, probably 80 carbs today, 80 grams, 65 to 80, somewhere around there when I looked at what I ate. Not horrible. There were no donuts in there, and there was no ice cream. There was no milkshakes. No French fries. I had that. I drank some water with that. It was my only meal for the day. Until then, which was about 2 o'clock, I was busy doing things, and that was my only meal for today. So at about 600 calories, between 600 and 700 calories for the meal. It was not bad calorie-wise. As far as the keto ratio, that was definitely off. But not horrible. Again, when you're 60 years old, you're not going to worry about every single meal. You're not going to worry about having every day perfect. You do the best you can, and you keep going. You keep going. And so after the phone and the meal, we went to work out. I did I think a mile and a half on the treadmill. Then I did a couple of the machines. Did some pull down. I even did the free weights. I did some press, some military press, sitting down. I also did some squats. So I worked a bunch of the muscles. Now it's about 7:30. I'm home. I'm gonna call it a night. It's all in all not the ideal keto day, but with the exercise, with the heavy weights, and with the aerobic, I think I evened it out pretty well, and I'll have a good day. You have to, or you should, not worry so much about this ratio. Don't treat anything dogmatically. Just do the best you can and keep on chucking. I'll see you next time. Please subscribe and give me a message on the bottom there. Tell me what kind of exercise you do. What do you do when you eat out?